This is my favorite song.
Can you do it for all of us?
No.
No. Beautiful girl.
I know that I saw you. Your head open. I gotta carry it. I know that I love you. After a long, long while, I've loved. This is a romantic person, man. Beautiful girl. Where's Sam? Jose Morichan.
Next.
Baby, baby, baby. Bieber. Kaya ako yung favorite song mo talaga yun. I'll sing for you the national anthem. I got a good one. National anthem as well. That's right. Aring bunting mo. That's right. You're going to the mountain. Praise God. I'll just sing the end
song.
Ang mamatay ng dahil
Wow.
In English, but not in English, I don't know. For me to die is gain. For me to die, ano?
First one of the Bible.
I'd rather die for you than for Christmas. For Christmas. Ikaw na. Who else? Dennis.
Dennis, go.
Ano embarrassing? For me? I prepare 1,000 miles. What's 1,000 now?
Ay, lang yun eh.
Making my way downtown.
My home band. Making my way to that cry. 'Cause I need you. And now I want if I could that time would pass us by. I walk 1,000 miles if I could just see you.
Bagong ngayon to Greenport. How many miles?
Robby, swim.
Kita ako eh. Beautiful girl talaga ako.
Dayang-dayang.
Hindi, practical yung pang pinali yan eh.
Oh, go.
Be my lady.
My way, my way, my way.
Ano na lang, maganda yung ano.
Si Robin nga eh. Robin.
My
Gusto
Sherry.
ko ba?
Love. Yun na lang wala.
Endless love.
You and me. Against the world?
Against
you and me. And all of the people.
Ay, pang makasalanan yan. You and me.
Bakit parang
you and me?
And all of the people that I know can't keep my eyes off you.
Bravo.
Thinking of two songs, but all I can remember is Someday We'll Know.
I want to remember.
Someday we'll know why Sam's gonna love you, la la. I don't know the lyrics. Someday
I just like
Love you, like mountain lang wala.
and why I was meant for you.
And why I was meant for you.
What or wasn't?
I was meant for you.
Wasn't? Wasn't or what?
Wasn't meant for you.
Wasn't meant for you.
Someday we'll know we're going to the next question.